Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I just want to say thank you for the people that subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe if you haven't. On the other hand, don't forget to hit the like button and put the feedback in the comment box. Alright, let's get it. This is a 2011 CRV, Honda CRV. Alright, by the way, I put 4.5 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. I'm gonna start the car. It's okay, you don't have to start the car. You can put it just in on. But I just start the car. Alright, doesn't matter. So I press this guy right here until you see that option. Now press and hold the pin for like 10 seconds. Now let it go. Turn the pin until the oil life is flashing, then press it again. Now press it and hold it. Now let it go. Now that's how you reset the oil life in this 2011 Honda CRV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget that I need the feedback. Please put the feedback in the comment box. Any suggestions, any ideas, anything that you have in your mind, put it in the comment box. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astuo Burum. Meow.